Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to scrape Instagram followers data in seconds for free. We will use the ready-made Instagram followers scraper from the Appify store. This tool is free to try. You can find the link in the description below. Start by clicking the link in the description. This will take you to the reading page for the Instagram follow account API. Click on Try for free. This will prompt you to create a free Appify account. No credit card is required. Once you have signed up or logged in, you will be taken to the Actors Input page. You can set up the input using the intuitive UI or via JSON. For this tutorial, we will use the manual view. To scrape the follower list of an Instagram account, all you need is the username. Type the username in the designated field. If you want to add more profiles, click the Add button and enter additional usernames. For this demonstration, we will input 3 Instagram profiles. Before running the actor, it is recommended to save your configuration and create a task. This will make it easier if you want to schedule the actor or integrate it with other tools later. Now that the input is ready, click the Start button to run the actor. You can watch your results appear in the Overview tab or switch to the Log tab to see more detailed information about the run. Once the run is complete, click on the Export button to download your data. You can choose the desired format, such as JSON, CSV, or Excel. You also have the option to pick which fields to include or exclude in your dataset. After selecting your preferences, click Download to save your dataset file. To automate your workflow further, you can schedule your Instagram followers extractor to run at regular intervals. This is especially useful if you want to monitor follower growth and track the popularity of specific profiles. Simply choose your task, hit Schedule, and specify how often you want the actor to run. You can also connect your Instagram followers extractor to cloud services like Google Drive or Zapier. Additionally, you can integrate it with other Appify actors. If you prefer running the scraper locally via API, you can find the code for Node.js, Python, or curl in the API drop-down menu at the top right corner. That's it for this tutorial. Remember to check the link in the description to try this tool for free.